Hi everyone, Adobe Acrobat Pro has always been the go-to solution for managing PDFs for work, school, or personal use. And with its latest tools, it's now more powerful than ever. In today's video, I'll walk you through some of these exciting new features and show you how to download Acrobat Pro and start using them for free. The link to get started is in the description, so let's jump right in. Click the link in the description to go to Adobe's Creative Cloud free trial page. If you already have an Adobe account, log in using your email and password. If you're new to Adobe, just click on Start Free Trial. Adobe offers a 7-day trial for individual users and a 14-day trial with the business plan, which includes advanced collaboration tools. This trial period is a great opportunity to explore all the features and see how Acrobat Pro can enhance your PDF management. Pick the one that fits your needs and start your journey with Adobe Acrobat Pro today. You will have to put your email address that you want your Adobe account to be connected with, and then click Continue. You'll need to add your payment information to activate the trial, but rest assured, Adobe won't charge you during the trial period. Set a reminder to cancel before the trial ends if you decide not to continue. It's a risk-free way to experience the power of Adobe Acrobat Pro. Once your account is ready, download the Creative Cloud app. This is your hub for managing Adobe software. Install it, log in, and you're good to go. Install Adobe Acrobat Pro, open the Creative Cloud app, find Acrobat Pro in the Apps section, and click Install. The download process is fast and straightforward. You can see on my screen it says Open. This is because I have already installed the app, but you will see an install option, just like the other apps here on my screen. With Acrobat Pro installed, you're ready to explore its new tools. Exploring the latest tools in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Now, let's talk about the features that make Adobe Acrobat Pro better than ever. One of the standout tools is enhanced PDF editing. With this update, editing text and images in PDFs feels just like working in a word processor. You can resize, reflow, and even change fonts without breaking the layout of your document. It's a lifesaver for last-minute updates. Next, we have the new Liquid mode. This feature uses AI to reformat PDFs for smaller screens like your phone or tablet. No more pinching and zooming. Liquid mode makes reading PDFs on the go a seamless experience. Another highlight is advanced e-signatures. Acrobat Pro now makes sending, tracking, and collecting legally binding signatures easier than ever. You can even customize workflows for signing multiple documents simultaneously, saving you time. For teams, the real-time collaboration tools are a game changer. You can share PDFs directly from Acrobat and get comments or edits from others in real time. This is perfect for streamlining feedback and ensuring everyone is on the same page. Lastly, let's talk about automated document comparison. If you're dealing with multiple versions of a document, Acrobat Pro can highlight the differences between them in seconds. It's an incredibly useful tool for reviewing contracts, reports, or any document revisions. And that's it for today. Adobe Acrobat Pro's latest tools make managing and editing PDFs easier than ever. If you haven't already, click the link in the description to download Acrobat Pro and try these features for free. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to ComTechpedia for more tech tips, tutorials, and creative inspiration. Also, hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Thanks for watching. In the comments, let me know which Acrobat Pro feature you're most excited to use. I'll see you in the next video, and happy editing!